Welcome to another episode of our series on digital transformation. Today we explore a cutting-edge topic that is redefining corporate leadership: the use of artificial intelligence, AI, in business management. With the rapid evolution of AI, business leaders around the world are beginning to integrate these technologies to improve decision-making, optimize operations, and plan strategically. In this video, we'll talk about how AI is changing the way CEOs and corporate leaders manage their organizations, and what this means for the future of leadership. Artificial intelligence is becoming a critical tool for managers, not only in terms of operational efficiency, but also as a strategic decision-making assistant. From automating routine processes to predicting market trends, AI is providing CEOs with unprecedented power to run businesses with greater precision. AI systems can analyze large volumes of data in real time and provide recommendations based on predictive analytics, helping leaders make more informed and faster decisions. One of the most notable ways in which AI is impacting corporate leadership is in the automation of routine tasks. AI platforms can manage processes such as resource planning, financial analysis, or project management, allowing managers to focus on strategic vision and innovation. For example, advanced AI systems can generate financial reports in a matter of seconds, or even automatically adjust budgets based on corporate objectives and market fluctuations. The future of leadership is shaped by data-driven decision-making. AI is transforming how leaders access and process information. Thanks to machine learning algorithms, CEOs can foresee market trends, anticipate changes in consumer preferences, and adjust strategies quickly. Companies like Alibaba and Tesla are already using AI to predict consumer behavior and adjust their products and services in real time, keeping them one step ahead in highly competitive markets. In addition to decision-making, AI is helping leaders foster a culture of innovation within their companies. AI can detect emerging opportunities in the market and suggest areas where the company can innovate, whether in developing new products or optimizing internal processes. By freeing leaders from routine tasks, AI also allows CEOs to focus on creating an organizational culture that promotes innovation and creativity among their teams. While AI offers multiple benefits, it also poses ethical challenges that corporate leaders must manage. From the use of personal data to transparency in decision-making, executives must ensure that AI solutions are implemented responsibly. CEOs of the future will not only need to understand how AI can optimize their businesses, but also how to create ethical governance frameworks that balance automation with the rights and expectations of employees and consumers. The future of leadership is here, and artificial intelligence is at the heart of this change. CEOs and leaders who embrace AI will be better positioned to take advantage of emerging opportunities, adapt quickly to new market dynamics, and manage their companies with unprecedented precision. If you want to know how to implement AI in your company's corporate governance, contact me on LinkedIn to discuss strategic solutions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep learning more about how technology is transforming the business world.